Dear students, so we'll continue with our name reactions. So I've taken here the next is aldol condensation. So in aldol condensations, we need aldehydes or ketones having at least one alpha hydrogen. So I'm taking this CH3 COOH. So I'm taking aldehyde. This is ethanol. Okay. So this is your this is the main group, right? So that means this carbon is your alpha carbon. So it has one hydrogen. So the aldehydes or ketones in the presence of which has at least one alpha hydrogen in the presence of dilute alkali. Dilute alkali means you can use as a NaOH. So it undergoes self condensation reaction, right? So so how you have to write again one CH C double bond O, and so two molecules. So basically two molecules are there. So okay, so this base, so it has OH, so this will abstract the alpha hydrogen. Okay, so with the release of water now. So this Na plus OH minus, so OH minus will abstract the alpha hydrogen. Why alpha? Because alpha hydrogen is bit acidic hydrogen. So base will OH will take this alpha hydrogen from one of the compound. So it is CH2 dot negative. So it remains this one. So anion, okay, will remain. So this will attack here carbonyl carbon, and this bond goes here. Okay, since this is your del positive and this is your del negative. Why? Because this carbon is slightly positive. This is called carbonyl carbon, and you can see the difference in electronegativity. This is oxygen, this is carbon, right? So oxygen has more electronegative. Oxygen is more electronegative element. So this electron pair is pulled more towards oxygen. So it occurs del negative, it occurs del positive. Now, since two molecules, so one molecule is this one. So it will abstract one of the alpha hydrogen. So it remains carbanion. So now this carbanion will attack here carbonyl carbon. Okay, and this one of the bond has to shift to the this one. So we will draw the structure from here. You have to copy CH3, then C, okay, O, okay. So it becomes O negative here. Okay, then whatever it has taken that proton, it will come back here. So it will be H. So it is CH. We'll write it. So now this is a bond. Now think this is a bond. So here comes as a CH2. And C double bond O H. Okay, so in this way you have to write. So once you complete this one, so this is called alpha beta. So this is called beta hydroxyaldehyde. Okay, so this is called this is the main group, right? So main group. Now this is your alpha, this is your beta, this is your gamma. So this is called beta hydroxyaldehyde. Since this is a CH group. Now when it is heated, okay, it releases again the one molecules of water. So water is from here, so it releases one H from here and OH from here. Okay, and this bond comes down here as a double bond. So the next product is your CH3 CH double bond CH C double bond O H. Okay, so this is called alpha beta gamma. So this is called alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. So in the aldol condensation, this is called aldehyde. Okay, yes. So this is called aldol, and it has aldehyde group as well as alcohol group. Okay, so aldehyde OL, alcohol group. So name comes from this one, aldol. So what happens here? Two molecules of this aldehydes condense together to form this beta hydroxyaldehyde, which further unheated it forms alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. So this is known as aldol condensation. And again another example we can take. We can take here, this is example number 1. So I will take example number 2. We'll take the ketone CH3, right? So remember, it has two alpha carbon. So here is alpha carbon, here is another alpha carbon. So we will mark it alpha dash. Now when the same reagent dilute NaOH, okay, so it abstract one of the alpha hydrogen. So normally once you complete, you have to erase this one. Okay. So you have to draw with the help of pencil again the structure CH3. So suppose it will extract this carbon. So it will be CH2 with negative because it abstracts just proton only. It leaves the electron here only. Okay. Now this electron will attract this and this will go up. So you have to start copying from this side. So it's a CH3 C single bond O. Now again the whatever H has taken, it will come back here. H and CH3 is there. So I'll write here down CH3. Now this is the bond. You copy it here. So it's CH2 C double bond O CH3. Okay. So when it is heated, again it releases one molecules of water. So this is from alpha, beta, gamma, and this is also gamma, gamma. This is OH group, okay. So from alpha, beta, so it comes OH, and from here one H will come out. So our product will be CH3C. Okay, this will come CH3 double bond CH C double bond O CH3. Okay, so again this is alpha, beta, I'll just write gamma. So you can see it's a beta hydroxy ketone. Okay, so this is beta hydroxy ketone. This is alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Okay, but everything comes under the heading as a condensation. We will do one more example of this because this is a very important reaction. CH3C CH3 C double bond O. Suppose it has something like this. Okay, so in the presence of dilute NaOH, dilute NaOH, so you have to copy again this structure with alpha pencil. CH3 C double bond O CH. Sorry, this is simply H. Okay. Now this will abstract the alpha hydrogen. So this is the alpha beta. So it has one hydrogen. Okay. So it will abstract. So that means here negative one. Now this will attract here. This will go up. Right. So start writing from here. So it's a CH3. Then CH3 C double bond, sorry, this becomes O and H. Here comes H. You H is something like this, and this is the bond now. It's bond here. So C C mark C mark duita CH3. So I'll put here one CH3 here, another CH3 here. Then utapati go C double bond O H. So this much. It's not further than because it does not have alpha, beta, alpha ma hydrogen छैन नि so त्यही कारणले water eliminate हुनु सक्दैन यसमा. Okay, OH छ यता H छैन, so it will remain here only in this case. The next is your cross aldol condensation reaction. So here we have two different aldehydes or ketone group reacting together, condensing together to form the product. Here, okay, so but remember, at least one of the aldehydes or ketone must have alpha hydrogen. So for example, if I draw CH2, this one CH3, C double bond O plus yes H. So this is your alpha beta. So it is alpha. So it has alpha hydrogen. Now when this reacts with the group which may not have alpha hydrogen, or for example benzaldehyde, right? So in this structure it does not have alpha hydrogen. So this is your alpha carbon Okay, so it does not have alpha hydrogen because it has 4 bonds. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bonds, all are occupied, right? So it doesn't have any hydrogen. So obviously, when it is treated with dilute NaOH, right? So this OH will abstract the alpha hydrogen. So it doesn't have alpha hydrogen, so it has alpha hydrogen. So it will abstract the hydrogen from here. Okay, and it will, so this carbon will attack here and this will go up. Okay, so I will start drawing from this side. So benzene ring, C is single bond O, then H will come, whatever H is taken that will come back here. So H, so I'll write H here. Now this comes here, yeah. So CH2. So next is CH. One of the H has been already removed. Okay, so only CH, right? CH. So you know this CH3. I'll just write here CH3. Then C double bond O H. So this is the product. So this is called alpha beta. So it's beta hydroxy aldehyde. Okay, so when it is further heated, what will happen? Alpha beta hydrogen निस्किन्छ, beta beta OH group निस्किन्छ. Second double bond यहाँनिर हुन्छ. So CH double bond C CH3 single bond C double bond O. So 11 हामी alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. So this is the final product. So it releases one molecule of water. Another example of cross aldol reaction condensation is you can have two different aldehydes or ketone, both may have your alpha hydrogen, right? So this is your alpha carbon, so it is alpha hydrogen. So this is your alpha carbon, it is alpha hydrogen. Okay, so it gets mixture of product now. So when this is treated with dilute NaOH, then suppose if OH abstract this alpha hydrogen, then it becomes CH2 single bond COH, right? So here is negative. Now it has a two option. So it can attack here or it can attack this molecule. Okay, so if it attacks here, then our product will be CH3 COH, here comes H, here comes CH2 C double bond OH. Okay, so plus if it attacks here, then we get another product, that is CH3 CH2 COH, here comes H, then it is the bond. Okay, so it's a CH2 C double bond OH, right? These are the two products. Again, there is an equal probability that it can abstract this alpha hydrogen also. If it abstract this alpha hydrogen, then this becomes CH dot negative C. Now again it has a two option. It can attack here or it can attack its own counterpart, right? So if it attacks here, then our product will be plus, so CH3 COH, here comes H, then you have to connect it here. You have to connect it here. So it's a CH, so CH3 C double bond OH plus. Now if it attacks here, then our product will be CH3 CH2 COH, here comes H. Okay, you have to get here सीधा यहाँ. Okay, don't attach here, it will go here. So it's a CH3 C then C double bond OH. So we can expect 4 different products. right? There are 4 different products we can expect. So in similarly further heating, if you go for the further heating, so this will abstract the alpha beta unsaturated, yeah, alpha beta and alpha beta. Okay, so we can get a 4 different product if we use a cross aldol condensation, having 2 different aldehydes or 2 different ketone, or one is aldehyde and another is ketone. In this case we may get a 4 different products.